MegaPhase space-grade cables and connectors, the sky is no longer the limit. HyperFlex series cables allow for tight, right-angle bends directly behind the connector, minimizing mechanical fatigue. The AlumaBend series is hand-formable and 40% lighter than copper-jacketed equivalents, providing excellent phase stability versus temperature. Phase 3 series cables offer the absolute lowest loss possible without sacrificing flexibility or shielding effectiveness. And our industry-leading optimized Super SMA connectors maintain compliance with MIL Standard 348 while significantly improving operating frequency and visual performance. MegaPhase. With the right connections, anything is possible.